With every design breakthrough, a new door opens. Open the door to boundless new breakthroughs by bringing the most trusted SLS printer in-house more affordably than ever before. Introducing the Fuse Depowdering Kit, an affordable new post-processing solution for the Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance alternative to a dedicated depowdering station or want to add more flexibility to an existing workflow, the Fuse Depowdering Kit has you covered. Take your parts from printed to professional with a complete set of manual depowdering and material recovery tools that support low waste and a high ROI. Take full advantage of our industrial-grade materials library, from glass-filled nylon to skin-safe TPU, with tools that make material switching a breeze. Available separately or paired together in the Fuse Starter Package, the Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt and Fuse Depowdering Kit create the most powerful, affordable SLS ecosystem for same-day selective laser sintering, so you can open the door to new breakthroughs every day. Formlabs, so anyone can make anything.